future daddy. Okay, tama. Nice target yun. Nice target. Okay, serving our finals MVP.
Araw versus, ano sila? Lupa.
Not over.
By Araw. 1-0. Serving. Araw.
Serving all black.
Not over.
Not over. Pag ganun partner, masasabi mo pag yung serving hindi mo over.
Hindi ko alam kasi hindi yung over yung service ko kanina eh. Hindi ko alam kung ano ng wrong.
Jump serve.
By ball. Outside. Parang yung ganon, kulang sa clippings.
Sumobra sa servisyo yung gano'n. Sana yung mga bulit.
Correct.
Correct.
Diba?
Facebook.
Baka di ako makalabas ng loop here. Serving.
All great.
Not over.
Ayan na, matatarget na nila yun.
Service by Daddy Beans.
Servisyong daddies. Nice
Nice
serve.
service.
Okay.
Sinet sa side.
Ball. Cover.
Free
High
ball. Oy!
Okay.
Na-over. Pass ball. Pasok.
Okay, nagagawa po.
Okay. Not over.
Score, 3-2. Serving, yes, daddy.
Daddy. Oh yeah, Daddy. Daddy.
Nabitin si daddy.
Serving by Kelly Clarkson. Nice. Receive.
Daddy.
Pinalo sa
Pinalo.
Buhay ang bola.
Lifted yun. Dahil walang referee, walang tawa.
Pinalo sa
Pinalo na black. Sinet.
Pinalo sa
Parang
dos.
ulit ang best friend ni Chris.
Pasok.
Butterfly.
Sinet sa dos.
Sinet si daddy.
Not over. Fujitsu. Ah,
Service.
By
Fourth round.
Brock. Brock. Fourth round. Pasok.
Nice serve. Nice receive as well. Sinet sa quit. Miscommunication.
Service mo.
Nice receive. Sinet. Inside. Parang taga-habi.
Service. Go service.
Outside.
Cut over.
Score 6-5. Now we're back kay Mr. Fu.
Baka di ako makalabas ng boy. Okay? Service by Ryan. Go Ryan. I-receive. Sinet sa dress. Up. Ay, ano? Touch net din. Aminado naman siya. Sorry, touch net.
Share man tawag doon sa net. Serving. All wide.
All white.
Hard serve. Outside.
Outside. Service by number 14. Nice
Serve.
service.
Receive.
Yes,
Sinet sa
correct.
rest.
block ni Daddy.
Pinalo ng
Diba?
center.
Sinatid sa tres, pumasok.
Oy!
Touch net, crossing, 2 points.
Pag ano, 2 points ha. Service.
Fujitsu. Nice block. Ayun bola! Time first, time first, time first.
Bola. Dead ball, dead ball. Not over.
Over by Fujitsu.
Service by Wendell.
Ahon, finals, MVP.
Nice service.
Serve.
Over. Go Ryan. Over receive.
Okay, ayun na.
Sinet. Overset. Good reception. Outside. Overset kasi malayo. Diba? No, diba? Overset. Service by Wendell.
Overserve net.
Eh, diba? Set.
Over receive, over set, over spike,
Nice one, Kelly.
over reception, over set ulit,
Sinet.
over
Fernandez.
twin.
Pasok.
Pasok ni Daddy.
Nice. Spike by Daddy Bill.
Bola.
Service by Wendell.
Okay, over serve, over receive,
Set.
over set.
Drop ball.
Ayun.
Nice drop ball.
Kay Ryan daw, kulang pa siya sa coke.
Anong tawag dun sa ano? Back? Flashback? Anong tawag dun sa flashback? Pa-flashback yung sport. Pa-flashback yung sport sa TV. Anong tawag dun, Arthur?
Throwback. Flashback, throwback, reminisce.
Sine! Ay! Touch that! Yung sa TV, hindi pa nire-replay. Flashback. Service A.
Okay, daigdig lupa, i-receive ng lupa. Serving all gray.
Outside.
Service over Daddy.
Service by Daddy B.
Di-receive ni all white, sinet ni all gray. Sinet.
Not over.
Lumagpas na antena. Wala
Lumagpas
tuloy
na
channel. Service. Yes, Daddy.
Service by Daddy B. Outside.
Side. Score all 12. Serving all white.
Service. Nice receive. Outside. Twelve, 13.
Last 12. Next game.
Next game, ano next game? Tubig versus hangin. Mag-ready na po yung tubig versus
Block.
tubig versus
First block by Superman.
Mag-ready na po yung tubig versus hangin.
Pwede tubig.
Receive.
Sinet sa open. Walang kumuha.
Nice game.
Tama nga sila. Target nga nila yun. Nice strategy. Nice strategy.
Tubig versus hangin. Service oy Pito Ben.
RB Arms kaya ang serve na ngayon. Bibigatan. Ay, easy over. Binisip naman ako. Sila si JK. Pinalo.
Pinalo.
Score.
1-0.
Service. Borda.
Ayun po, tayo sa live po tayo ngayon. Naka-live po tayo sa Facebook, sa Instagram, sa TikTok,
At sa X.
follow our Facebook channel. Longyear.
Score. All
Volleyball
one.
Club.
Service.
Chisa X.
Nice service. Score. 1.
Na-out balance.
Service.
Ivy Perez.
Pasok.
Same target. Ayun!
Thank you for watching. Nanonood ng live.
Live na live.
Live na live yung anak ko.
Maligay ng kinuha.
Tempo si outside. Service by
Jedu.
Jedu. Jedu Island. Right. Outside.
Hello? Yan. We're back. Sinapuntahan kami ni All White.
Service. Out ng babalik.
Jai.
Not a good receive.
Nice set na.
Wala pa daw.
Palit daw ng bola. Paki-alcohol daw yung bola bago ibigay. Paki-sanitize.
Service.
Service, Jai.
Ayun!
Service.
Diyan ka na nak. Doon ka na magtinda.
Service.
Isa molde.
Nice serve.
Ayun, safe target. Go lang. Pag tinarget mo ulit, 2 points ka sa akin.
Score. 2-4.
Okay, 1 point lang ang gusto. Hindi sinip target. Si Ned, pinalo ni Anton at over.
Score, 4-3. Serving, Vince. Roar.
Service by Vince. Parang si Vince? Ay, dalawa pala yung Vince.
lang yung balakang.
Huwag na yung lamesa, yung balakang ka na.
Service.
Paayos daw ng receive.
Nice receive pa
Sinet.
yan. Pinalo sa dos. Not over.
Tama ba itong score?
6-5.
Service by Joe.
Outside. Score, all 6.
Nice receive. Sinet. Pinalo ni Lester.
Nice one.
Sinet sa tres.
Dinrap.
Pinalo ni Lester. Sinet. Over. Outside.
Palo pala. Yung sinasabi ko eh.
Service.
Service. Hard serve. Hard receive. Hard set.
Nice. Nice. Drop ball by S.
JK, galingan mo. Nanonood yung crush mo.
Best score na ulit. 7.
7. Alright. Galing ko, Kate. Service. Ed.
Nice service.
Go na.
Sinet sa dos. Over.
Chance ball. Receive si Ned.
Sinet sa dos.
Nako!
Pasok, pasok. Score.
All 7 in favor of
Service.
okay, din RBRs. Receive.
Pinalo sa dos.
Nice check ball.
Service by Adidas. Na may lipat.
At colorful na syntax. Nice serve. Si Ned. Ang ganda.
Drop ball.
Ayun.
Sorry.
Ay, walang touch na yun. Meron ba? Ah, meron. Hinangin. Hinangin. Score. 9-7.
Service. Nice
Nice
service.
Nice target. Score. 10-7.
Dahil dyan.
Dahil dyan yung libero, dapat yung liberuhan.
Ay, libero ka naman ka? Service. By Adidas. Not over.
Score. 10-8. Wait lang daw, pangatlong game pa lang ang anak ko.
Service.
Service. Ivy Perez.
Nice receive by Anton. Drop ball. Sinet. Papaluin sa dos. Pinalo. I-receive.
Babalikan niya. 2-2 din.
Dos.
Easy! Pinalo na walang
Nice fight.
ODL.
Anton. Ay, ganun pa yung ODL.
Oh, sila sa dos. Pinalo na Anton. Bullshit.
Bullshit. Oh. Service.
Inside.
Out,
Outside.
out, out, out.
Outside.
Score. 9-11. Galit na si Kuya eh.
Service. Middle blocker.
Service by
Jet.
Jedi. Nice service.
Di na-receive na maayos. Binlock ni Ed.
Binalik. Sinet.
Sinet sa
Papaluin
dos.
sa dos.
Nice
Nice
check ball.
Check ball.
Pwede pala yung partner, no? Pinablock na yung second ball.
Oo nga, no?
Okay,
Pwede
okay.
pala yun.
Pwede pala yun.
Oo. Siyempre, partner, kasi pag hindi na tayo i-reach, di ba? Ibang-block mo. Service. Then,
Makawalan siya. Cannot give it.
knock.
First line. First line yun eh.
Score, 10
All in.
on 11. Service again by Jedu. Not over.
Over. Score.
12-11.
Serving. Isa Molde.
Number 10, service. Nice service.
Nice.
Hindi na, battle serve. Sinet, not over.
Pwede din pala yun. Receive a set agad.
Score, 13.
Pinal ng 4. Receive.
Sinet, drop ball sa
Over.
service.
Nakabol. Sinet Pinal.
Over ni Lester. Sinet sa center. Pinalo ni Anton.
Outside. 12-13.
12-13. Last two. Okay guys, for our next game, championship na po tayo. Outside. Score all 13. Last two.
All warning.
Service by Vince. Pinandon.
Sinet, papaluin.
Outside. Pwede ito sa kabila. Outside.
Outside. Check ball ni Anton.
14-13.
Last warning.
Service by Vince. Service. Nireceive ni Anton. Sinet sa dos.
Chance ball.
Inside.
May juice? Walang juice. All last.
Last one. Service by Anton. Nice service.
Nice service. Finally.
Hindi
Ayun.
na papalo si Carl. In-over. Over. Third touch pwede pa. Drop ball. Binalik. Receive. Sinet. Pinalo sa 4. Outside. And the game ends. Nice game. Congratulations. 14.
Tubig.
15. Congratulations.
Tubig waiting
Next
for
game.
championship.
Aboy versus Lupa. For Aboy, pasok. Aboy. For Aboy, JK, Fritz, RJ, Van, Sean. Service by Divin. Ni-receive. Sinet ni Macho, in-over ni Barca. Idol. Over. Ay, ay, ay. Nag-SS si Barca ang taas din. SS by Barca. Service by Wiley. Got over. Service by Wendell. Pinalo sa inside. Score 12-7. Mukhang habol pa ang Team Barca. Service, mag-SS na si Barca. Third skill. Fourth skill pa lang. Naka-Winter Truncheon and Magic Crystal. Full damage. Ni-receive ni Ryan, sinet ni Ball. Pinalo. Outside. Check. Service by Barca. Hoy, net na eh. Net sila, di ba? Bennett kayo, sorry. Wala. Score pala din. Service by Barca. Score! Warning 9. Anong next game? Tubig versus Araw daw. Pacheck na. Oy, net ka daw, be. Net ka daw. Next game, Buwan versus Araw. Mag-ready na po yung Buwan versus Araw. Service by Paul. Heavy ball. Jump serve to be received. Nice receive. Sinet ni Barca. Pinalo sa dos. Kinulang sa energy. Nice game. Congratulations, Team Paul.
For the championship,